In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for plumbers quickly, allowing you to effectively reach potential customers online in just a few short steps. By the end of this guide, you'll have a running start on setting up your ad campaign designed specifically for plumbing services. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to start setting up your ad campaigns. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads homepage, which is your main dashboard. From here, you can create, manage, and optimize all your ad campaigns. Next, you want to create a new campaign. Navigate to the campaign section, which is easily accessible from the menu. Here, you have the opportunity to create an ad campaign tailored to your specific retail goals. For plumbing services, I recommend focusing on location-specific campaigns that will catch the attention of local customers needing immediate services. Once your campaign is set up, your next step will be to click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section is crucial as it allows you to hone in on who you want to reach and what they're searching for. Keywords are particularly important for plumbing services as they direct potential customers to your ads when they type in relevant search terms. Now it's time to focus on selecting keywords. In this section, you're given the opportunity to choose specific terms that align with the services you offer. Think carefully about which terms potential clients might use when searching for a plumber online. Common keywords might include emergency plumber, local plumbing repair, or leak detection services, among others. The idea is to predict the type of language and terms customers might use when in need of plumbing services, ensuring your ad captures their attention first. The final step is to add those carefully chosen keywords to your campaign. This tells Google what searches you want your ad to appear in. Remember, the goal here is to select keywords that are both relevant to your service offerings and popular amongst searchers. By doing this, you increase the chances of your ads being displayed to people who are more likely to require your plumbing services. And there you have it. Setting up a Google Ads campaign for plumbing services doesn't need to be time-consuming or complicated. By following these steps, you'll have a strong advertising structure in place to bring in those online inquiries and convert them into real business. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.